Hi guys. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna finish this unboxing. So the last Stamps of Life I showed you with the bird bath was for the month of April. It is now May. Yeah. So this is May's set. So, oh, hold on, I forgot to turn off the bigger light. Okay, there we go. Too much light. So it is a barbecue set. Isn't this the cutest thing? I love it. And it comes with the die and the stamp set. I love it. I think it's super cute. Super, super cute. So again, $25 and change. $25 and change. So that was for the month of May. I'm getting so confused on my months. Okay, let's go to Felicity Jane. Let's see what Felicity Jane gets us. Let me put this one down because we have Spellbinders. This is last month's Felicity Jane. It's been crazy around here, you guys. I had to put my hand in. I actually put my hand in like very carefully because I had to get out the shred. I needed the shred. So I didn't get to take a peek of what's in here. So I don't even know what this kit is, you guys. It's been that long. It's been a long time. It's been crazy. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love the chipboard shapes. This is what you get. And Felicity Jane is like $48 and change. Ooh, look, I love the glassine bag too. It's embossed. That's a nice bag. I love that bag. See that? That's nice. Oh, I love the colors. Oh, I love bows, but I love the colors of these bows. Awesome sauce. Love it. And the stamp set. All the feels. Oh, good. They're sentiments. That's cool. So Felicity Jane will be here and Spellbinders will be here probably by next week or so, week and a half. For the month of May. So far behind. But I redid my room. If you saw my room tour, I got into the beading and I love it. Oh, look how beautiful these are. These are, oh, I love these. Let's open them. Because these are easy to make, but they're also easy on the eyes when someone else makes them. So they come up, the little vellum. Love that. Aren't those beautiful? I love that. Oh, I haven't tanned in so long. Plated my tan. Oh, I had to get back to that too. A lot of changes coming to my bedroom. So eventually I'll get back to that too. I can't wait. I'll show you the rest of the room tour when my husband finishes. It's going to be fun. I love their alphas. They're so awesome. And I love that they put the numbers. And look how many numbers they give you too. Because sometimes you need like 2, 22, 22, you know. In 2, 22, 22. Now you'll have them. So it's perfect. And then let's see the 3x4 cards. 3x4 cards. There's usually, yeah, they're usually single-sided. I'm going to go fast because you guys probably have already seen this kit 3 weeks ago. But, yeah, I haven't. I don't even know what's in it. I don't even know what's in the next one. What was the name of this one? Oh, Mari. It's Mari or Mary. I think it's, isn't it with the way that's spelled M-A-R-I, that it's Mari? I'm pretty sure. Not positive, but pretty sure. Mari sounds good. So, ooh, gotta keep the bag. And then this is the paper. Oh, I love. See, they got back to the bright colors. Oh, finally, they got back to the bright colors, and I didn't get to open it in time. They've had a lot of neutrals for the last few months, actually. Let me open it, because, yeah, now I'm curious. Because I love bright colors. And I missed it. Didn't dislike the others. I'm just saying I didn't dislike it. I just love this one. I prefer brights. That's all. No big deal. I still worked with it. Pretty, pretty. These are so thick. I thought there was 2. They're really thick paper. That is my favorite. And look at that color combo right there. Oh, look at that 3 color combo. Oh, nice. Look at that. Oh, nice. Love it. Love it. Amazing. Beautiful. Okay, so that's Felicity Jane for last month. Awesome job, you guys. Mari is amazing. I love that. Okay, so let's open Spellbinders. Spellbinders for last month. Let's see. Let me get out this one. We got sequins. Ooh, these are pretty sequins. These are like iridescent sequins. Nice. Like those. I did buy some thread because I really want to try my hand at stitching. They have a whole guide on how to do it. And I'm like, it's a no-brainer. And then they have it on YouTube, so they do everything to make sure that you know what you're doing. I love it. This looks like, this is from Amazing Paper Grace. This looks like what? What does this look like? Oh, nice. It's like a floral. Ooh, that looks like fun to play with. Look at that. Does that not look like fun? Gorgeous. I remember watching the videos. I watch the videos on these every single month when they do the premiere, and it's great. Oh, this is like a slimline size border die. This is awesome. This is the large die of the month. That is awesome. So generous. So I get the small, the large die, the Amazing Paper Grace, and the card kit. And it's $85. That includes shipping. So you get the 10 cards, 10 envelopes, standard tape, glue dots, and papers. You get, I think, 9, usually 9 papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, I was right. I love it. Okay, and then this is the die. You get a die with your card kit. It's usually coordinating. This one is called Sincerely Yours. Oh, so it's flowers. And an envelope, I think. Yeah, an envelope. So that is an envelope, and you can hold flowers. That's awesome. I love that. Oh yeah, here's the envelope. Super cute. Love that. Awesome job. These are my favorite. Well, everything's my favorite with this card kit and with Spellbinders. I love everything I get each month. I think I've been with them, what, 2 years now? Almost? Oh, look at this one. I didn't get to see this. It's a coffee cup with flowers in it. Nice. And you can build a rainbow. You can put a rainbow in here if you want. Oh, how nice. Love that. I love these. If you've been looking at my PLs or watching my PL videos, you know, since I took my Spellbinders out of my craft room and I put them, I took my Spellbinders out of my nook and put them into my office, my regular office, I've been using them in my PL consistently. And in fact, I have my PL that I'm going to be doing later on tonight because my son's leaving to work. And I'll have the house to myself. And it is the Spellbinders kit. And it's gorgeous. I love this layout, the way the layout came out. So great. Super cute. Love the gold. It's not a gaudy gold, which I appreciate. I always say that, but I do. And these you can pull, you can cut out individually. Super cute. Awesome. Wait, is that the... Was that the end? No, it wasn't the end. I lied. Oh, look at the telephones. That's the end, right? Yep. Okay. Love that. You get 2 of each of those, and then you have the ephemera, which is the best. Best, best, best. So let me scooch it in. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. Let's see. Get the horse. You are the best. They've already shown this. Is it moving? Is it moving? It's probably moving, right? They've already shown this kit, but if you haven't seen it and you just wait for my videos, here you go. It's so pretty. So this is not how we spell favorite, but this is how they spell favorite in Canada, I think. So that's cool. I don't mind using it because to me it says favorite, so I don't care. It doesn't bother me any. So I use it all. So beautiful things await you. This one, laughter, fun, love always. My son's gonna take a shower and get out of here. So I get to film week 14, so stay tuned if you want to see how I use my Spellbinder stuff, because it's a perfect example of how it's amazing. Not my layout, but the Spellbinders kits, on how versatile they are. Oh, I love these. I love tags, and I love like library tags. I love it. Awesome. I love this so much. It is gorgeous. I mean, geez, it's like you can totally just come up with something so quickly just by adding things, you know. Just all you have to do is just let your perfection go and just have fun. Look, oh hey there, you know, and that's just putting something quickly together. You can do anything you want, and I love that. So gorgeous. All right, guys, I'll be back with PO. All right, take care. We'll see you in a couple weeks.